Now, if you want to get technical, this right here is the official definition of a multiple. So I'm going to read that to you. Now, I know you're really good at math, so this may be a way you want to remember it. A number is a multiple of n. N in math is always used to represent an unknown number. So a number is a multiple of n if it's the product of a counting number and n. Another way to say that 15 is a multiple of 3 is to say that 15 is divisible by 3. That means that when we divide 3 into 15, we get a counting number. And basically what that means is that it divides without getting a decimal or a fraction. Okay, so let's look at what being divisible means. Okay, 15 can divide by 3. 15 divided by 3 is 5. Okay, if we did it the other way, we know that 15 is also divisible by 5. 15 divided by 5 is 3. 15 divided by 2 is 7.5. But that's not a counting number. Okay, so 15 is not divisible by 2. That means, going back to our beginning, 2 is not a factor of 15. Okay, so a number being divisible by something means that that second number, so 15 is divisible by 3, 3 is a factor of 15. If 15 is divisible by 5, 5 is a factor of 15. If 15 is divisible by 1, which it is, every number is divisible by 1, then 1 is a factor of 15. So let's try that with 20. If 20 is divisible by 1, it is. 1 is a factor of 20. I want you to write 3 more facts. 20 divided by, and then something that is a factor of 20. A number that if you divide 20 by it, you get a whole number, a counting number, and not a decimal. Okay, so I want you to write the next 3 with 20. 20 divided by 1. Okay, we know that 20 is no, I was right the first time. 20 is divisible by 1, which means that 1 is a factor of 20. Okay, so 20 divided by, what's the next factor of 20? It's the next thing you can divide it by. Then what's the third thing? And the fourth thing? You don't actually have to solve these. I just need to know what the next 3 factors are.